welcome back again to our channel, guys. Well, today we going to travel to Bali. So what means I going to make Balinese Sambal, which is this Balinese Sambal is very famous and very tasty, especially when they have grilled fish or grilled chicken or pork. They always have this sambal or sauce. We call it Sambal Matah. Sambal Matah. Matah means raw. Okay, so the ingredients. Okay guys, this is the ingredient. So we have, this is lemongrass, only 4 sticks. This is the leaves of calamansi. This is the calamansi, the one that we're going to squeeze and we use as a garnish as well later on. And we have salt, and also we have shrimp paste and chili, shallots, and garlic. And this is the Balinese knife, and also the cutting boards, Balinese cutting board one that I use. Alright guys, enjoy the video. I hope you watch it until end of this video. So enjoy. Okay guys, we're going to start right now. So first I'm going to slice the garlic. Okay, I'm going to slice the garlic. Make sure this is very thin, so that when you squeeze, very easy to squeeze and the juice will come out, because we're going to make this sambal is juicy sambal. Very thin, remember. All of the equipment one that I use is Balinese equipment, guys. Especially the cutting board and also the knife. Very important, the quantity of the shallot should be more, because the shallot will give the juice of this sambal later on. Please squeeze. I'm going to keep 2, 1 garlic and 1 shallots, because I need to fry it later on, just to taste, to give more aroma, smell of the sambal, become more tasty, guys. sure very thin, guys. Right, next the leaves. Right, this is the leaf of the calamansi, guys. So you have to remove first the stem instead of the leaf, so that it will not give hard textures after when you eat, because this one is little bit bitter. This is the herb, the one that we use usually in Balinese food, especially grill. Now I'm going to fold it and slice, thin slice. Oh. Okay, it's done. So now the time you have to prepare the bowls. So all ingredients we have to transfer to the bowls. Okay. Right, so this remain one shallot and one garlic to fry. Okay. I'm going to fry it later. Prepare first. On the side. In making sambal, we have shrimp paste, the one we use. Shrimp paste. This is a roast shrimp paste. We have to squeeze, become in small piece. Okay, and little salt. Okay. Then ready to squeeze. Mix it up. Make sure the juice coming out. Little chicken powder. Only little, because the shrimp paste, the roast shrimp paste is salty already. So make sure when you squeeze very hard, so that the juice coming out. So we're going to add oil later on, warm oil. Okay, and little fried shallot and garlic. Wow, the smell is very nice, guys. More salt. Oh. Calamansi. To make strong flavor. The seed was pulled down. Seed of calamansi. Alright, almost ready. Alright guys, so now next is frying the garlic and shallot. Now we fry the garlic and also the shallot. So we're going to add here. We're going to add hot oil later on. Done. Golden brown. Now I'm going to get shallot and garlic, put it inside. Also you have to pour all the oil. Alright, little oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's enough. Now we're going to mix. See, I can smell the garlic and shallots. Now a little bit shiny. It was dry before. Now when I add the oil, now a little bit shiny. Alright, almost ready guys. Well guys, so this is it. Our sambal is ready, as you see. This is the one. Okay, this is our sambal, the one we make today. Okay. Well guys, thank you very much guys to watch out my video. So very important guys, this sambal, the ingredients, if you don't have the shrimp paste, you don't need to use shrimp paste, it's okay. Important, the one that you have shallot, garlic, lemongrass, salt and chicken powder and hot oil, and you fry a little bit the garlic and onion, and in the end you mix it up. Important, when you squeeze, really when you squeeze, you have to make sure the juice is coming out, so it will give the taste and flavor much more better, and then you will feel you are in Bali. Try with grilled fish, grilled chicken or fried fish or fried chicken, anything. Right, see, now I've become hungry after I cook, so now I'm going to try. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget, watch also my previous video where I make the sambal, national sambal video. I will add in the description. This one is very famous also in Indonesia, also outside of the country, abroad. They like also that kind of sambal. Okay, that one, the one that I make in the previous video, is from my mother's recipe, and this one, the one that I make, is from Bali. This is the Sambal Matah recipe from Bali, the one that I make. Okay, only little information for you to make how to make Sambal Matah. I hope you can make it at home. It's very easy and very easy to get the ingredients anywhere. I think in your country is easy as well to make this kind of sambal. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget like, share and comment to this video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel and also hit the bell notification, so the next video you will be the one first to have the notification from our new videos. Bye bye.